Hello and welcome to Azurewala YouTube channel. We are in part 81 of Microsoft Certified Associate series. So far we have completed 140 questions in previous videos. Today we are going to look into question number 141. Question 141. You have an Azure subscription that contains the storage accounts shown in the following exhibit. Contoso 101 is a storage account and it's storage V2 kind. Contoso 102 is a storage account with the storage type. Contoso 103 is a storage account with blob storage kind. And Contoso 104 is a storage account with file storage kind. Now let's scroll down. Statement 1. You can create a premium file share in. So we need to check with which storage account we can create a premium file share. To understand it better, let's go to documentation site of the Microsoft. We are in the documentation site of the Microsoft.com and on the planning for an Azure file deployment page. If we go to management concepts, we can see here that we do have two type of storage account we can use for Azure files deployment. The first one is general purpose version 2 or GP V2 storage account, and it allows to deploy Azure file share on standard or hard disk based hardware. So it doesn't allow any premium file share account. Next one is file storage accounts. The file storage accounts allow you to deploy Azure file shares on premium one or the solid state disk based hardware. Therefore, this account only allows to deploy the premium file share. Let's go back to question. So here in question, for the first statement, we can see that we do have storage account with the file storage is Contoso 104. Therefore, for the first statement, for the premium file share, we can use the Contoso 104 only. Let's move to next statement. Now second statement, you can use the archive access tier in. Let's see in documentation site of Microsoft that the archive access tier is permitted for which account type or which kind of account. In this sense, we are in documentation site of the Microsoft and on the access tiers for blob data page. Access tiers are supported for blob data only, and we can see here that we do have hot tier, cool tier and cold tier and archive tier. So these all tiers are being supported for blob data. Now we have to see that which kind of account the blob data is available. We are in storage account overview page in the documentation site, and if we go to types of storage account and the types of storage account which support the blob storage, so first one is standard general purpose V2 type which supports the blob storage. Premium block blobs, that also supports the blob storage. Premium file share, that doesn't support the blob storage. Premium page blobs, that support the page blobs only. Similarly, we will scroll down for legacy accounts, legacy storage account types, and we can see here standard general purpose V1 account also supports the blob storage. And we scroll down, we can see blob storage account also supports the blob storage. Back to the question. Therefore, the archive access tier is supported by the blob storage and the blob storage is supported by general purpose v2 account, therefore storage v2, and this is storage v1 account and blob storage account, and it will not be supported by file storage account. Therefore Contoso 101, Contoso 102 and 103 are the correct answer. I hope this video was informative for you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification icon. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.